Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn what is check constraint in MySQL or MariaDB. I am using MySQL 8.0.13 and for MariaDB, I'm using MariaDB 10.3 version. So what I notice here in the MySQL, it did let me create the check constraint. When I'm creating the table, it is letting me add that check constraint, but it is not working. I was doing some research. Instead of it should let me create, it should give me error like, okay, we do not support check constraint. We can create a check constraint by using trigger in MySQL, but the goal is like, okay, when you let it have the syntax here and let the table create with the check constraint, you should kind of implement that. But I don't know if it is a bug or something in MySQL. So MySQL does not support check constraint. I'm talking about MySQL 8.0.13, and it let you create a table with it, but it is not implemented or it's not working. So, anyways, in MariaDB 10.3, it is a working. So we will test that. So first of all, what is a check constraint? It is the table constraint that restricts the data you can add to the table. So think about a scenario. I have a age column, and I know that age is not more than 130, 135 in the world. So let's say 135 is the max age we would like somebody to enter in this column. So it is allowing you any value less than 135. Okay, for the gender. So we know that is one character and it can be only female or male. So M or F. But sometimes somebody may be making a mistake. So we want to restrict that. So we'll say check, and we'll say gender, and here gender, um, we can put male, female. Okay, so now you see that for gender it will only allow us put male or female. Currently I'm connected to the MySQL, and I'm going to go ahead and create this table and then try to insert the values, and I will show you it will work. Okay, it should not actually it should give error, but as I told you, check constraint is not supported, so that's why it is working. So if you see here, I'm putting the check constraints in okay, 135, less than 135, I'm gonna go 140, and instead of male or female, I'm saying J. Okay, so if I will try to insert this value, it is successfully inserted in MySQL. So you can see that 140 J gender. So it is able to insert. But when we were creating the table, it did let us create with the check constraint. So that's what I'm complaining. Like, if okay, if you do not support it, then you should take this check constraint. When somebody try to put it here, it should throw an error. Hey, we do not support check constraint. We are going to take the same code and go to the MariaDB and then create the table there. So I'm gonna drop the table if it is already there, and then recreate the table. So you see that I'm putting age 100 less than 130, check gender in male or female. So we created this table. Table is created right now. It's empty table. And now if I will try to add 140 for the age, so you will see what happened. So you see that it is telling us a constraint customer dot age failed for test dot customer. So that's what it is telling. Like, okay, in this table, it is failed because you have check constraint. Check constraint is saying the value should be less than 130, and you're trying to put for 140. So okay, so we will put 100, and now if we will go and insert the data, it is inserted successfully, and you can see that it's work. Okay, now we go and instead of male or female, we say J here and try to insert this value. Okay, so what happened? Now it is telling us a constraint customer.gender failed for a test.customer table. Okay, so now because the gender we were trying to do something like beside what we have here, we have male or female, and we were trying to insert J. That's why it is not letting us do it. Okay, but if we will put male back and then we have or female or whatever, we have inserted the data with the female and Lucy or Lucky, whatever, and there is a female, Robert. And if we insert this value, it should insert just fine. So any value that has a male or female, F or M, you will be able to insert. And if the age is less than 130, so you will be able to insert that values. But again, check constraint restrict the values of what user can enter. It helps in a way like when you are importing a data, and sometime you don't want to import the wrong data, and you don't want to insert the wrong data into the table. So check constraint does help if you have defined them, especially like gender. Nobody should put J or P or D or something like that. And also for the age column, you know that the age can be like 130, maybe max 140, whatever. You should not allow more than that values. All right, thanks very much for watching this video, and just make sure you don't spend a whole lot of time on checking the check constraint in MySQL, because it let you create it but doesn't work. Thanks very much, and I will see you guys in next video.